Hey, what's up everybody? Calendar99 here, bringing you yet another reaction video. And once again, this is another AGP video, aka Angry Grandpa. Yet I got another request from, again, the same subscriber from my last one. I'll say his name again. His name is Shadow Reloads. He requested that I watch Angry Grandpa Popcorn Blowout. And this was a video that it was uploaded on July 29th of 2011, and I'm going to take a look at it. So let's begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
The motherfucker did it. I just got some yesterday and got goddamn 12 motherfucking bags in it.
Kids learn to use the pile of the microwave.
Oh, the goddamn asshole.
What happened?
I had 12 goddamn, I just bought this motherfucker yesterday. Gone. No more popcorn.
I tell you, the kids.
No more goddamn popcorn.
Got that away.
I'm sick of this goddamn shit, man.
Well, have you checked,
I've checked every goddamn where. Whoa, whoa, whoa. President.
She's just going out.
What voice you got by the back?
Back when
Nothing.
Bridget was hot.
Turn it.
Just go.
Turn it. I'll be goddamn, you ain't
Go.
going no goddamn where. Turn it.
For anybody that doesn't watch Angry
I'm gonna
Grandpa,
turn around now. Michael. God damn.
back in 2011, Bridget was kind of hot.
That's my last goddamn bag of goddamn popcorn.
We didn't know it
I
was,
don't have any furniture to be wasting, so I'm going outside.
we
You need
didn't,
to shut the fuck up.
we didn't know
You
it.
didn't get my popcorn, Tina.
No!
He told
Who
her.
told you to get my last goddamn bag of popcorn?
We
I
didn't
really
know,
wanted popcorn.
we didn't know it
Well,
was
goddamn,
yours.
Princess, go buy you some goddamn popcorn.
We thought it was
Always
everybody's.
blames her.
Hey,
Oh,
What the fuck?
is that one of those tire things?
That was my goddamn popcorn. It wasn't your goddamn popcorn. That was mine.
Mine!
Goddamn.
It's freaking popcorn.
Need help. You scared the shit out of someone running down the street. You're probably gonna run the car.
Fuck 'em, call the cops. My goddamn popcorn.
What are you carrying? My shit!
That was my goddamn popcorn she ate.
we didn't know it was your popcorn.
Then fuck y'all. Why don't you be a goddamn man? Buy her some goddamn popcorn. The motherfucking shit's a quarter a goddamn bag.
Exactly, so why are you so mad?
I'll just.
Hey, watch it.
Yeah, it's one of those things you use to fix your tire when you have a flat tire.
Motherfuck! Fuck you! Fuck you!
I don't get why he did that.
Man.
Probably because it was Tina and he didn't want to be disrespectful to her, but okay.
Now you broke my goddamn radio!
He always blames everybody else for what he does.
Since you're saving that now.
What's there to fucking say?
Whoa!
Here! Have a tape deck!
Have a tape deck.
I ain't got a radio.
Yeah, no shit.
I got no more radio.
That radio is kind of a piece of shit.
Oliver popcorn.
And he keeps breaking it.
My popcorn. Do you understand what the word mine?
Let's go.
Mine.
I ain't talking about a goddamn mining for coal. I'm talking about mine, belonging to me. My popcorn. Get back in and clean this shit up. God damn it, stop doing nothing flat. Get out of here. My goddamn popcorn.
Okay. First off, it's just like the kitchen video over popcorn. Seriously. Except literally, you didn't have any popcorn left. Just go get some. It doesn't matter who ate it when you're out. Just go. Oh my god. Okay, but alright. So that was for you, Shadow Reloads. That was my reaction to Angry Grandpa Popcorn Blowout. And hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.